going on YouTube? I'm about to get ready to stock my cart for the Amazon drivers, UPS, FedEx, post office. There's so many independent contractors or whatever. It's that holiday season. I have I'm not actually ordering any Christmas items right now. This is just to complete my living room, but the cart for my Amazon is really, really long and my Wayfair is about 10 items. So I want to do my good diligence and give back because, you know, around this time, they're always are like, hey, do you want to donate to this charity or XYZ? And we don't really do much for people who are working, performing services for us. So let's just get into this and just I have a few snacks, some drinks, some water, candy. Yeah, so I can't wait. I'm excited, y'all. Like I did one last year, but it wasn't as much because it was like last minute. And this time I got the stuff from Amazon so I can get like a variety pack and I didn't have to like keep like looking for different kinds of what to get. Amazon just had like the assorted pack. So I'm excited because I want people to come to my house to be like, oh, I love going to that house to deliver because they got the good snacks, they got the good drinks, they got some good water or whatever. I wanted Bae to make them a hot meal, but he said that's doing too much. I don't know. I think he should have made them at least like a little hot meal or something. What you think? You should have made like the Amazon drivers a hot meal.
Hell no. Hot meal. Chips and juice is good.
He didn't even want to do that. Anyways, y'all, let's get into unpacking my box. And we haven't even put up the cart yet, but it's going to get put up. So, anyways, I plan on having this all in the... All right, y'all. So, I don't even know what this is. Oh, it's my candy. So it's just like a little fun size pack or whatever. You know, I don't get that green card. Okay. So I was like, let me just get them this. And then, you know, with it being Halloween season, it's easier to find like the fun size packs or whatever. So I said, I just put this all in like this little clear bowl I got from Amazon. Apparently it was like it was supposed to be a salad bowl. I didn't want to get nothing too big or too small, so I believe I chose the smaller brand. I probably will pencil that into this video. And oh yeah, and I haven't been really good about getting out all my videos. I've been doing a lot of training at my current job, and they've been keeping me busy. So let's see if y'all can see. So we have our peanut M&Ms, we have regular M&Ms, we have Snickers, we have Milky Way, and I believe that's it. And really with the weather being cool outside, I'm not concerned about anything melting. So I'm kind of happy to hear about that. All right, so this next box comes from Crave Box. It says it on the front, but it kind of like exposes my address. So I was like, let me just keep that covered or whatever. And just gonna have some variety packs of snacks. So, I can't believe they put all of this in this little box. I believe it was like 50 pieces or something like that. Like you even have candy in here. So, check all this out. Let me show y'all from a different angle. All right, as you can see, you have your Chex Mix, Fun Dip, Rice Krispie Treats, Goldfish. We have some chips, granola bars, more granola bars, candy, crackers, other type of popcorn, some graham crackers. We have our fruit snacks. I just hope my kids stay out of it, and the husband. Cheez-Its, cookies, more type of granola bars, Pringles. Oh yeah, I can't wait to put this out. I'm gonna have to organize this in a minute before I even put it on the cart. That's just what I need. Anybody else gotta get organized before you start like prepping like a cart, a snack cart, or put up your dishes? Like, I don't know, dishes, groceries. I just have to organize stuff. first so I can see exactly what I need. I'm just putting all these granola bars here. They didn't really come with much cookies. They gave a lot of granola bars. I still like the pack. They gave a lot of little fruit snacks. There's one Pringle. Got some little suckers and I guess these like the little sour warheads. Okay. Suckers. Last but not least, I definitely got some chips. Variety packs of chips. I think it was 42. I'm trying to remember from what I ordered online. I don't see anything on this box, but this looks like about 40 some chips. So I'm gonna say it's about 42. So I'm just waiting for the cart to get put up, and I'm gonna show you I got some other stuff in them too. So I'm in the refrigerator because I got these sodas for them. So they have some Sprite, some Coke, and some water. I also have some Fanta that's in the pantry, but I went to Publix. They had water, 3 for $11, and then they had the soda that was $10 each. So it was buy 2 packs, get the third one free. And I just wanted, I don't have like a cooler to put this in. I may kind of switch it up or whatever as time go on, but I wanted to at least make sure that the drinks are chilled and cool in the refrigerator overnight. So. All right, y'all, as promised, we are putting together, well, I'm assisting. I ain't even gonna do it. I'm assisting with him putting together this metal rolling cart, this utility cart. If you can kind of see. See, I'm not about to let these influencers outdo me this year with the Amazon delivery drivers and the all the delivery drivers. I ain't gonna be missing out on none. They snack cart. I already got all my snacks. I got all my drinks. You think we should put like some like little beers or something up in there?
So you gonna be drinking and driving?
They should have sense to drink that after work.
Oh hell no.
Yeah, never mind.
That's not sending a good message. That's a great message, man. Sorry.
Okay, he still said no to hot meals, so.
Yeah, you really tripping, bro.
I'm saying, like, you could make them like a little lasagna soup or something.
Okay, well, why don't you do that then?
I mean, if it's being extra, I ain't gonna do it. Oh, got Butterfingers. I done had this cart for how long?
For like 3 days. Yeah, you talking like you done had it for like a week.
That's a long time to not have it put up.
Oh, no, it ain't. It's the perfect time I have to work.
What up, weekend working? I wish I knew this good. Anyways, y'all. Y'all, it didn't even take this long to do this. What it took you about 15 minutes?
5. 5 minutes.
Yeah,
Homie don't play that.
Okay. It looks good, y'all. It's cute. It's metal. I got this from Amazon. I'm going to link it into this video, y'all. I'm going to add my snacks on tonight. And then in the morning, once my... I think, yeah, they can go in the front. And then in the morning...
Both of them, 2 of them?
Yeah. In the morning, I'm going to add in the water and the drinks when the kids leave, y'all. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh.
Hell no.
I can't even. He over there eating Snickers. Boy, it ain't nothing but 2 Rice Krispie treats. Okay, you can have one. You can go ahead.
I'm gonna go airhead. Fuck it. No, I don't hear no warheads. So that was good. Appreciate that, drivers.
See what I go through, y'all? This is crazy. All right, guys, as you can see, I have my candy bowl right here. I'm going to have my water and soda down here. So I'm going to probably just add in some more of my snacks from Crave's box. Oops. I gotta get this camera at like a better angle. All right, y'all, just work with me. I'm trying to get this the best way I can. Still kind of new to this recording things. Like, oh my gosh, it's not the easiest. I wasn't sure what I was going to do with these little cup holder things, pocket things. So I decided to put the granola bars in there. Oops, that's a cracker, but I think I just leave it in there. It's like, yeah, this seems like a cool place to add your granola bars. That's good. We have some Rice Krispie treats. Got the famous Amos cookies. We have our fruit snacks. We have more candy. Got the Fun Dip, Twizzlers, more Twizzlers, another granola bar. Put it over here. It's like a little cookie bar. We have cookies, Pringles, more candy. Almost done with this candy. Just got the warheads to add. Just gonna put them at the top. And we're gonna come right here and we're gonna add these chips. We're gonna try to make it neat and give like a variety. It's about 42 bags, so I'm not gonna have space to add all of it on here. Which is good, so I can do like a nice little restock. As you can see, let me move that over. YouTube. Today is Wednesday, October the 16th, and I'm about to stock these drinks. All right, yeah, I think I know where it's at because I'm like, I've did all this thinking. I know what my sign is. I looked everywhere. My Christmas tree and a lot of the decorations are in the attic, so that's where it got to be at. So I'm not gonna worry about that because it's really not Christmas season. I don't really have Christmas decorations out, so I won't really worry about the sign until December. I kind of hope that they know that I have these snacks out here, that it is for them. So anyways, check out my snack card. Probably throughout the time I'm going to add like, I've seen some people add chapstick because it's getting cold outside, maybe some hand sanitizer, lotion, I don't know. Yeah, I'm thinking about just adding some of those little stuff because I can imagine you driving your van around and you just keep licking your lips and you don't really have time to stop. So you could like, dang, I wish I had some chapstick or whatever. So I'm thinking about doing that. I do see some influencers add like tea bags and coffee and hot water. I don't think I had to set up for all of that. So I'm just gonna chill. And I'm like, yeah, I mean, I don't know. Who's to see? I just plan on getting better and better every time though. But thanks for watching, y'all. See y'all next time. Bye.